everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Walmart Mastercard online. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that little subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Walmart Mastercard online, first, open up your preferred web browser. Go to the search box and type in walmartmoneycard.com/activate and press enter. Now soon after you do that, you'll end up on this page from where you can easily activate your Mastercard. In the text box where it says 16-digit card number, enter the 16-digit card number in the first text box that is available right on your Walmart Mastercard. Once you are done, on the next field, type in the expiry date for your card, the CVV code, which is 3 digits long, and after you are done filling in all of the details, click on I'm not a robot. Now, click the next button and follow through the prompts till the end so that you can activate your Walmart Mastercard. You can also go ahead and call on the toll-free number, which is available at the back of your card, in order to activate your Mastercard for Walmart. That is how you can easily activate your Walmart Money Card or Mastercard. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.